Hey, what's good, guys? Welcome back to TechSmartt, and you know what time it is. It's time for my third favorite series here on the internet, Pop or Flop. So in case you guys don't know how Pop or Flop works, basically the TechSmartt team goes on the internet and buys a bunch of gadgets, items, products, and tech, and they surprise me. And the reason this is so important is I don't buy anything anymore. Like, I am so desensitized to buying stuff on Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, so I don't buy anything anymore because I see a lot of stuff. So they gotta do it to keep you guys entertained. Let's do this. Joshua, my boy, how much are we spending? $300. $300? So if you guys like any of the products, they're linked down below. Hopefully Josh doesn't suck this episode. He sucked last episode. Wait, did he? You crushed it last episode. You guys go check the video out there. You let me know in the comments if Josh crushed it or flushed it. That was good. That's the new series. Josh, give me the product. Let's go. Look at that kind of catch, Josh. What is this? Is this an augmented reality game? You know the police don't let me have weapons no more, Josh. Come on! Because in case you guys don't know how Pop or Flop works, if it's a pop, Josh gets the cash. I'll give him 30 bucks. If it's a flop, Josh owes me 30 bucks. I'm also gonna give the box probably $1 because I'm sorry, box. Hey, Josh, can you work on the return for that? Oh, wow, this is it. Dude, it's like a selfie stick cross, bro. Yo, hit Katniss Evergreen up. Tell her, Peter wants to take a photo. Dude, this is so jokes. I feel like I'm in the Hunger Games. Okay, so I got the app. It's on Android and iOS if you guys want to check it out. So you're covered. I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna put my phone on the crossbow selfie stick. It's about to be a Mockingjay. Dude, I love this though. You have to pull the string to pair it. That is so sick. I wanna just say it found it. No flipping way, dude. Yeah, I found it. Hang on, I gotta keep the string pulled. So I'm gonna just tap it like this. And I think we got this here, hopefully. There we go, we are connected. Sliding back to the app. Oh yeah, we're playing safe, Mr. Doggy. Oh yeah, baby, it's going, Josh. Holy, here we go, boys. Oh yeah, don't hurt the this is so dope. Whoa. I just have never shot a bow and arrow like this before. Oh, whoa, we're gonna ghetto it right now. You can just see that. Oh, here we go. Oh, holla, we did it. Wow, I was shooting at the wrong thing the entire time. I thought this was like tower balloon defense. No, level 2. If I get this, it's a pop. If I don't, Josh is getting dropped. Yeah, buddy, finish him off. Boom, let's go. Woo, Joshua, this is a pop. You're awesome. The rest of this video is gonna be amazing. So the first item was a pop, which means I owe Josh some cash. Josh, I don't think you're gonna get 2 for 2 here. You're not that good. Hit me with it, let's go, come on, boy. All right, wow, what did you pick out? A Hamburger telephone. In-N-Out's right down the street, dog. Just take it where it belongs, okay? I don't wanna see it. This is a Hamburger telephone. I have no idea why this exists, if this is a landline, if this is a cell phone with a SIM card. We'll see really quickly. This is a landline. Joshua, how? Like, dog, where am I plugging this in? They don't even make this jack anymore. How do you expect me to test it for the people? This is a sick phone. I will be the first to say it. Josh might get a complete pop on this just because we have no way to test this out. I have a cell phone, it's 2018. I wish I had a landline, but I'm just not an independent man yet. So I'm a pretty dependent man on this burger. I think this is sick. Imagine if you had this in your house. Let's just say it's 1960s. Bring, bring. Hello? You see this, your neighbors catch you with this. They're gonna ask you to go outside because they're gonna want one too. And like, dude, look at this. You got cheese, you got your patty, you got 2 buns, hun. Speaker at the top, I bet it's really loud. Mic at the bottom. It's got a nice weight to it. I mean, it's no iPhone 12, but I would say it's like an iPhone 13. So for 15 bucks, Josh, pop. I don't know why, but this episode, I'm feeling like Josh is about to clear us out. Josh, give me the third prop. Jesus, Josh! Why, dude? Where'd you get this? I don't even want to know. I'm guessing a garage sale? No, dude, someone would have probably wanted $100 for this. How much does this cost? You are killing me, dog. If this sucks, I don't think it's gonna suck because it looks pretty good. You're out 146 bucks. You're in the red. You're gonna owe me money because you might have thought you got cocky with the last 2. No, welcome to the game. All right, let's open up these speakers, plug them in, and test them out. 146 bucks. If they're good, you know where the link's at. Like maybe Josh is trying to help you guys out. Ooh, these speakers actually have some heft on them. Dude, I'm gonna set this up like Larry the Cable Guy. I'm gonna be an absolute G and get this the first try. So which way does the cord go, Ev? All right, I don't know which is supposed to go to which. We got our black cable and we have our gray cable. I'm just gonna freeball it. I'm just gonna put it in whichever one I feel is the right hole, and we'll go from there, you know? Black one goes in the blue, because black and blue, that's how they got that. All right, so these go to the right speaker. The left speaker, because reading's hard. I should have gone to college. That was basically it. No, it makes sense. The black one goes with the black one. It's not called black and blue. It is black and black. The gray one goes with the blue. If I ever had to steal a car, I guarantee I would get caught. I couldn't hotwire it. Like, we laugh, guys, but it's not funny. These are life skills everyone needs to learn. How to hotwire a car. No, I'm just kidding. I think that was something I read in a book. Like, that's what dads teach their kids. You joking me, dog? This cable is so long, it's wrapped around the wheel on my chair. And now it's wrapped around again. Dude, you see what I'm going through? Thanks, Josh. Blame Josh, guys. I hope this is the biggest flop ever. Actually, I know LG makes pretty decent speakers, so this won't flop. If it flops, you're out 146 bucks, Josh. So here's the deal. This is meant for a soundbar, a TV. This is a surround system setup. So since I'm just trying to ghetto style it on my desk, I'm not actually gonna plug this into a TV because I am not that. I need to call Best Buy to do that. TechSmartt is being tech dumb today. So that being said, I'm gonna try to open my phone up, see if there's Bluetooth on this thing. And if it works, we'll jam out. If not, I'm giving Josh a flop. Not because of the product. No, because he didn't tell me I needed a TV, and he didn't call Best Buy. What are you gonna do about that, Josh? We might be in luck, boys. We might be in luck. Hang on, I'm gonna scream if this works. Pairing unsuccessful. Well, Josh, you flopped. Can't aux cord it? You need a dongle for that, dude. It's got USB-C, bro. They cut the adapter. I bet these are sick. You know what? I bet these are sick, but for Josh, flop. Josh! You are 2 pops to 1 flop. You're currently red. You owe me money now. So, I'm getting a little emotional. That's why my voice weakened. How is this product? Is this gonna be a pop, a flop? Jeez, that almost hit me in the face.
SoundCube.
A SoundCube Bluetooth speaker. Does this speaker also have 18 cables and go to your TV too? Or are we gonna be good on this one? Oh, we're good on this one, guys. Okay, so it's 18 bucks. This thing, I think, is gonna pack some power. It's called the Rift 6. It has an aux cord, micro USB cord, Bluetooth speaker. Here we go, here we go.
Connected.
Just like that, it's connected, lightning quick. 20 bucks, Joshy? Okay, let's see how you do. We're gonna play some Rexa Orange County. Oh yeah, Corduroy Dreams. It's good, I like the color. I'm split on this, dude. Like, you would have saw me dance if I was digging it completely. 20 bucks, I'm gonna give it a pop. Don't make me go pop on this again. Cause this, they deserve better. The fans deserve better. All right, Josh has not sucked as bad as I thought he was gonna suck in this video. So, 3 pops to 1 flop. This next product, the reason why I got my eyes closed is Josh is gonna put something on my head. That's what he told me. How much does it cost before you just abuse me like this? Eyes are still closed, by the way.
It costs $25.
20, more than the speaker? Okay. All right, here we go, and then I'll let you guys know what I think. What, dude, is this a girl? Is this a hug? Is this a dog? What? Okay, I can see. Like, that's good. I don't know, it felt like really long hair. That's why I was like, are you giving me a hug? Is someone here? Joshua! Is this Chewbacca? Is this the Wookiee? Like, dude, that's the same person. Oh, no, I got it right. No, it is Chewbacca. Like, I didn't even know. Dude, should we go into a bank? Is this a pop or flop? $25? Don't be ordering this to your house. Your parents are gonna think you're losing it. I'm gonna give it a pop, because this is creative, and I like creativity. Item 5. What did you get for item 5? Is this a DAC? What is this, Josh?
It's an aux cord that lights up.
That's it? How much is item 5, the aux cord that lights up? Only $12? Now you got your boy hooked. You clickbaited me there, Joshy. So if this is a light-up aux cord, this will either be really cool or suck so bad. I'm gonna play some XXXTentacion, RIP, man. Drop a like if you guys liked his music ever. I was a big fan. I was really upset when I heard he passed away. So this is for you, man. Oh, wow, it actually lights up. So it lights up to the music. So you hear the piano going. This is Changes. If you wanna check it out, it's on my Spotify playlist. I'll leave that link down below. So it lights up. Wow, that's so sick. Wow, that's so sick, Josh. I can't let YouTube detect the copyright on this one though. Lights on, we back. Hey, yo, Josh, we're calling you Corn, because you got a pop. So this is product 6, this is the last one. Josh has 4 pops, 1 flop. Just hand me it. I was feeling good about myself there. How much does this cost, and what is this, Josh?
$30.
A green lighting window-mounted solar rechargeable power bank. So what do you, like, put this on your car or something like that? I mean, anywhere where there's sun? Whoa, that's actually handy in an emergency. How much is this? $30? What is this? Hey, if you guys know what this is, just let me know in the comments. Is it USB-D? So for 30 bucks, if you have this on your windshield just all the time, when you actually need to charge your phone, or you're going out to a concert, or you just need a buddy to get charging, and you don't want to hear his notifications, just like that, it actually works. How long was this sitting on the car for, Josh? Do you think they have cars at Amazon, and they're just like sticking them all over the place and just sending them out charged? Dude, this is sick. I'm putting this on my car right now. Pop. Josh, pop, pop, pop! You're a pop star! So that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to drop a like and get subscribed if you're new. Just click that circle button down there. Check out the last 2 popper flops right over there, and I'll see you guys. Oh, geez. All right. Bye.